bondo, primer, bondo, primer, bondo, primer, bondo, primer. Rolling on bondo and primer, never be a high sider. Tight suspension splits dimensions. My spinning wheels make higher power. Eardrums devoured. There's more aluminum on my chassis than a siding on your house. 18 compartments grinding on each axle. Can you tell me what that's about? Let the sub-frequency kick. Do you see them turbines blow? Filled with titanium, artesian, well-fueled by a speaker box flow. My transmission went to remission on this transition. 500.1 made an incision. Reclining, pivoting, fleecing down upholstery. Made the decision. Southern Star Emancipation System navigation. So there's no collision. 3 feet high and rising, still enterprising. My bondo and primer got me on the mile high team. In the box for my gloves is a treasure trove of the system's workings. 2 fingerprints and a combination would bring elation for you to view of my 24 karat circuitry. Rolling on bondo and primer, never be a high sider. Tight suspension splits dimensions. My spinning wheels make higher power. Eardrums devoured. Welcome to the meteor shower. Lasts for about an hour. Wake up, breath tart, so I chew up Swisher Sweets. Call my girl Candy cause she's so randy. My favorite kind of treat. Don't take much for me to lure, cause I don't spit manure. Told her listen to the thump from my trunk when your house is shaking. Then it's for show. Flipping switches, cutting corners, beating up the block, hitting levitation mode so I don't see signs that say stop. Color change, paint, disappear like a haint. Radar can't track me and I outrun tanks. No need for SKs. I clear my memory banks. Microfiche and memory chips for lunch. Ram and rum, CD cash for dinner, and save for next day's brunch. Run into Wimpy and leave them at Wendy's. The drive-thru ain't for me. Traffic still creeping up. My amps and decibels. My ship is sinking. There goes some spinners where the knockoff emblem stays up like Magnavox sharp thinking. My sleds, keep 'em ups. Need shoelaces like that for stunting and tricking. But I'm still ghetto fab while I'm smashing up the ab on my bondo and primer. Rolling on bondo and primer, never be a high sider. Tight suspension splits dimensions. My spinning wheels make higher power. Eardrums devoured. Hey yo, this is a shout out to my homeboy Mafia. streets.